So we've got another 703F just sold. This one's going out. It's the first time we've done this. We've fitted the AlphTechnik 30mm lowering kit, which is a little bump stop adjuster on the shock, and then the full replacement linkage down here. It's fun fitting because you've got to take the centre stand off, and that's interesting. But with a motocross stand, it was able to be done. You also have to, I don't think you can see it on here because it's all hidden, but you have to put a little bump stop adapter to raise the bump stop on it, and that's a bit fiddly, but I managed to do it without doing it using the spring compressor. There's a way of doing it, but yeah, that's actually really quite cool. I've gone from my heels just being off the ground to slight bend in my knee, and I'm 5'9". It makes the bike accessible. My wife, who's 5'4", Donna, can sit on this bike 2 feet down. It makes the 703F accessible to a lot of people. Definitely worth considering. They're €149 from AlphTechnik direct. We don't get involved with selling them or anything. We'll just let you guys go and buy them direct. But yeah, it's a way to make the 703F full-size adventure bike that little bit smaller. Give you a bit more confidence. But yeah, AlphTechnik. I'll pop some links below, and you can pop on there and get yourself some. Cheers, bye bye.